Welcome to Understand the Math. In this example, we need to find all points on the unit circle if x is minus 5 over 13, and then we're going to indicate what quadrant these points are located. Just like we did before, we're going to begin with the equation for the unit circle. X squared plus y squared is equal to 1. We're going to plug in x is equal to minus 5 over 13. And then we have plus y squared is equal to 1. Minus 5 over 13 squared is going to give us a 25 over 169. Plus y squared is 1. We now need to solve for y squared, so we'll take the 25 over 169 to the right. So this is, we can write the 1 as 169 over 169 minus 25 over 169, and we end up with 144 over 169. Now we take the square root, so y is either plus or minus the square root of 144 over 169. So y is plus or minus 12 over 13. Our x value is minus 5 over 13, so minus 5 over 13, comma, 12 over 13, and minus 5 over 13 again, and this time our y value is negative, so minus 12 over 13. And then let's include the quadrants. So this first one, x is negative, y is positive, so that's our second quadrant. And then the second one, they're both negative, and that happens in our third quadrant.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.